Folding is a process by which folds or wave-like landforms are formed in the crust. This is a result of crustal compression. In other words, the crust pushing in together, not pulling apart. If you look at sedimentary strata, remember I told you that sedimentary strata is laid down horizontally, or they are laid down horizontally, strata is a plural word, of course. If you look at sedimentary strata and they are flat, they're parallel, then they have not been disturbed. But if you see them warped, like in the diagram that we have right in front of us right now, that warping is folding, and it's a result of crustal compression, the tectonic processes. It's a little bit like this. If you have a tablecloth on a table and it's flat, and you take your right and left hands and stretch them out and put them on either end of the tablecloth and then slowly pull your hands together while pressing down on the tablecloth, what's going to happen? That's right. The tablecloth is going to fold up and down and up and down and up and down. The crust will do the same thing. Provided that you deform the crust, or that the earth, the tectonic processes, deform the crust slowly, the crust is actually very flexible. Do you remember the word for that? Isostasy. Good. However, if you deform the crust quickly, it breaks. But if you deform the crust slowly, it's actually a fairly flexible substance. Now, if you take a look, you can see that there are two basic landforms that are created as a result of folding, of crustal compression. And you can see those two red arrows pushing in towards each other, causing this folding process. An anticline is the upfold. The syncline is the downfold. So the syncline is going to make a valley, the anticline is going to make a mountain. This is the way the Appalachian Mountains are formed. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. It's very much the way it looks if you're ever going through the Appalachians in Pennsylvania or West Virginia or Kentucky for that matter. Well, there's only two of these, okay? If you memorize one, you get the other one for free. Let me tell you which one to memorize. Syncline. Because the syncline is sinking. Huh? How about that? Syncline is sinking. Here's a diagram I made for you. Let's pretend like those are horizontal layers of sedimentary strata. And you can see that there's two red arrows pointing towards each other. They're going to compress that crust. When they do, this is what's going to happen. You're going to get folds. The upfolds are anticlines, the downfolds are synclines. Take a look at this photograph. It's very close to my house, actually. You can see that palm tree. Now look at the way the crust and those sedimentary strata are warped right there. That is a syncline. Take a look at this one. Look down at the bottom of that landform. Now the river has eaten away at it, but you can see it's exposed. There is the anticline, the upfold of the sedimentary strata. If you look at this one carefully, you can see anticline, syncline, anticline. I drew that red line on there so that you can see clearly the folding of these sedimentary strata. All right, what is this? Anticline or syncline? What is it? Huh? Jeopardy. Today's the day, unfortunately, I found out Alex Trebek died. I know, terrible. Great dude. Well, the answer is, what is an anticline? There you go.